Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn the theme to dark theme in an Instagram application. So you want to activate the dark theme in Instagram application because you like the dark theme more, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to activate the dark theme in your Instagram account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change the theme in the Instagram application is open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the theme for. Once you're logged into the account, you'll land an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is go into your profile. To go into your profile, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you land on your profile, what you need to do is tap on the three bars in the top right corner. Then a pop-up menu like this will open. Now here what you need to do is go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you'll see an option labeled as theme. So tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll land an interface like this. Now here you'll see three options. One is light, one is dark, then one is system default. So to change your Instagram account into dark theme, what you need to do is simply tap on the dark option. Once you do that, you can see my account has been turned into dark theme as well. So this is how you turn your Instagram account into the dark theme. So those were the simple steps in order to change the theme in your Instagram account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.